Early morning, been up since 5. This is what I'm doing today. I'm taking these two big roasts here. What size are they? 1 point something kilometer, or kilogram. Oh, what's this one? 1.202, whatever. So it's like 4.5 pounds of meat. I'm going to put in the oven and pre-cook to rare. And then I'll take them when they're still hot later to the event, which is at Bluffers Park. Yeah, this is us. It's going to be a fun day to be back with all my surfing friends again. I remember years ago when we first started doing this stuff. I used to take my son William. He was probably about 6 or 7 years old. He's 20. He'll be 23 soon. So that's how many years we've been doing this. Yeah. And that's it. Have a good one. Wyatt over. Never out.